Hello everybody, it's a pleasure to welcome you in this virtual space to present you how we're working with a customer in banking to provide them the best solution. So this company based in France have more than 10,500 employees, around 20 subsidiaries, 4.5 million of members and customers, and a balance sheet to 135 billion of euro at end of last year. So this bank was already using Mailroom solution to manage all documents received every day. But the contract with the software vendor was ended, and it was time for them to upgrade the existing solution or to change it. So let me describe you briefly how it was working before we propose our solution. So first, they scan thousands of documents coming from different sites and different sources, email for a mailbox, for example. So they routed them centrally to be classified. After extracting data, document and data were sent to relevant team in order to be processed before coming back to the end customers. Between classification, extraction and teams processing document, there were obviously some exceptions that had to be handled and processed even manually. So, for example, unreadable document due to the poor quality of images, or new document entries that couldn't be classified automatically, which is very important. Time to send complete file to the decision-making teams was long, and to avoid increasing time to give final decision to their customers, they multiplied people in it and also cost associated. And as they handled the electronic data differently, that made enforcement of business rules very, very difficult. As you can see, there were many challenges: saving time along the process, automate classification, extraction to avoid a maximum of exception, and cost linked to all this operation, being regulatory compliance also. So how do we do? So first, we provide them new scanners in order to digitize faster with a better image quality, and to sort documents efficiently, because we talk about sorting documents. So we sold IBM LIT6, one on the site, and one i5850S plus several i4650 as a backup on different sites. Then we propose them one solution to absorb physical and virtual flow in one way, which is info input. And we inserted after the document into Effisoft Transact to classify all documents properly and extract the data needed, and finally send everything into the business application. So do you remember the 4 challenges we were facing? Save time, simplify the process, save costs, be in compliance with regulation. Well, the solution we built for the customer met these 4 challenges. The 2 modules, Info Input Solution and Effisoft Transact, allowed it to process automatically all the flow of documents and give the opportunity to the decision-making teams to answer sooner to their end customer. This is their jobs. So thanks to Info Input Solution, we were able to capture paper, emails, electronic documents, and a touch file from email with a high quality of image for all this document to follow the same process. Then Transact and the supervised machine learning, which is really fantastic, decreased significantly the automatic classification and the indexing also. At all stages, all the process we respect the banking rules. For example, respect of bank secrecy or personal data's anonymization, and of course we provide the document and the data at the right format. Adrien will demonstrate you the complete process just after. About the solution that met their needs, there were several key points that make the difference. So we demonstrate that with our scanners delivering high quality of imaging, we improve the automation of the process, better OCR, less exception, and thanks to a proof of concept, we show them that simplification and improvement of their processes are really possible. And we were able to demonstrate an immediate ROI by a combination of the POC, our ROI tools, and their ROI tools. So let's see the solution with a demo. Adrien, now it's you.
Thank you, Aline. Hello, I hope you are all doing very well. I'm Adrien, the pre-sales engineer in France, and I will take this opportunity to talk about a special customer case. This project in the banking era was very challenging for two reasons. First, the customer wanted a solution to capture any kind of document flows, such as documents from the mailroom, e-documents like PDF from their partner, but also documents from incoming emails. A simple and yet scalable and robust solution was expected by the customer to capture all these flows, different from nature and origin, which itself is a challenge. Second, the customer wanted a better machine learning solution to properly recognize a huge number of different document types, up to 250 different documents. And for some of them, we had a huge variance within one document type, like for example the proof of address. This could be an internet provider bill, a gas or electrical installments, etc. And they can change over time. And yet, the solution must properly recognize these documents. There is a hidden challenge here. It's the number of documents we need to enable the machine learning. So, how could Kodak Alaris help in these challenges? InfoInput is a web-based distributed capture solution. Since it's web-based, it can be easily integrated in an IT infrastructure and scale up depending on the volume of document to process. It also allows the solution to be available within and beyond the internet network, allowing people to cooperate from everywhere. InfoInput is multi-channel capable. It can capture documents from high-volume scanners, hot folders, or from email server the same way. We only need to set and maintain one solution, one configuration to capture document flows, regardless of their origin. In a more and more digitized world, it's a comfort to know your capture solution will still perform when you will capture electronic documents only. InfoInput is also capable to be interfaced with any kind of DMS or ECM solution. In this precise case, InfoInput is working with FSOft Transact to achieve document recognition and data extraction of unstructured documents. FSOft Transact is a machine learning-based solution. It's a unique solution of its kind to have a full web interface. And it has a specific feature. Its patented machine learning engine can learn a document with only a few samples. Do you remember the hidden challenge? Our customer had to provide hundreds of samples to make the recognition of proof of address efficient. They worked years on this issue and eventually abandoned the idea of being able to automatically type these documents. With FSOft Transact, it took only a simple POC to demonstrate the efficiency of the solution. And now, let me show you. So, let's have a look. So, here it's FSOft Transact. We are currently on the operator interface, and a few minutes ago I sent a batch directly from InfoInput. This batch has been received by FSOft Transact through its web service. As you can see, no document has been recognized from this batch because literally didn't set the solution to make document recognition. So we will see how simple it is to use the machine learning through, from a few samples and start to have proper results regarding document recognition. I have already defined three different document types: contract, tax, proof of address, and I have isolated a few samples for each document types. As you can see, with only a drag and drop, I can start FSoft to learn these samples. So the engine of FSoft Transact will use different factors to make a proper fingerprint of the document based on different value. This value can be from a graphical aspect of the document, or it could be regarding what can be read from a document. Basically, machine learning will work like you, through your eyes and your brain. If you can recognize a document just by reading it, the machine learning will do exactly the same. So now I will do the same for the tax assessment type document and the proof of address. I will show you here we have different kind of proof of address. It can be an electrical bill or a gas bill and an internet provider bill. You can see I have used only one sample for each, which is very minimalistic regarding the machine learning, but I'm confident we'll get proper result based on this very small sample. So now I have pushed these files to the machine learning. Let's check the result by resetting the batch instance. So FSoft Transact use workflow to process the document. It will get the image, maybe try to orient the image regarding the aspect of the characters that can be read on the document, maybe erase some black frame around the image, and then it will process the page. It will try to read the document to prepare to a proper document recognition. I will show you the exact batch I sent earlier to FSoft Transact. As you can see, I haven't used any separator sheets between documents. So we only can rely on document recognition to make the separation between documents. So now the process is complete. I will refresh the review interface. And now, as you can see, we have a proper result regarding this batch. Each document has been correctly separated from each other. And we have a correct type, correct document recognition for each of them. And as you can see, the proof of address was recognized, contract, tax assessment, proof of address again, and proof of address with an internet bills. So this was the demo of of FSoft Transact. I hope you enjoy this demonstration of this solution. If you have further questions, do not hesitate to contact your Kodak Alaris representative.